Welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video I am going to show you bottom navigation view with a unique design. So you can see that we will have our items in a fab button with animation. So you can see the demo, and this is our demo which we are going to make in this Android tutorial. And if you like this bottom navigation view, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to miss any video of this series. And don't forget to like and share this Android tutorial. Now, without wasting time, let me show you the code and the dependency which we are going to use to achieve this kind of drawer. And here you can see that we can also adjust it with side animation also, and we can also add this downside a badge for notification, and you can also see all this stuff. Now I am going to show you our dependency. So first dependency we are going to use is this Mio bottom navigation Java. With the help of this library, I am going to add the bottom navigation drawer. So to add this, we have to first implement this much line of code in our Android Studio. And if you don't know how to create a new project in Android Studio, then you can watch our video in this topic. Now I had created my new topic, and for demo purpose I had already added all this tutorial. And in this, now I am going to show you the implementation. First we have to move to build or Gradle file, and over here we have to write our dependency. So as you can see that I had already implemented my dependency. Now we have to sync our project. After you will find your dependency will be included, then move to themes.xml file, and instead of dark action bar, so you will found your application like this. So instead of this you have to write no action bar, because we don't want any action bar, and we will add it manually if we want. Now I am going to close that themes.xml file, and now move to a package name, that is Android Studio Tutorials. And in this bottom navigation drawer I am going to right click on our package name, that is Android Studio Tutorials. And for creating our bottom navigation drawer I am going to create one new fragment. So our bottom navigation drawer will become with fragment. So to add our bottom navigation drawer with fragment, I am going to name a fragment. So currently I am going to give its name as a blank fragment only, and in this I am going to click on finish. After you click on finish, you will find that this will generate resource, means this will include our XML file and our Java file for our application. So here you can see that this is our Java file, and here we have fragment blank. So here move to split mode, and instead of this text view we are going to write our custom text view. So I am going to write here blank fragment. So it will take some time to do this, because currently you can see that the Gradle build is in work. So here I am writing blank fragment, and to make it more visible we are going to add text size. So uh, text size will be 24 sp, and you can customize it as per your need. I am writing 24 sp, and now I am going to write text color. So text color will be Android black, and then you can see that our text is in the right corner, sorry, left corner, top left corner. So to make our text in center, I am going to use gravity and center it. So you will find that our blank fragment is in center for our bottom navigation drawer, and then I am going to write its style. So it text style. Text style will be bold. Now you can see that we achieve it, and next I am going to close these fragments, and after adding this I am also going to close that, and now I am going to add drawable for our icons. So right click on drawable, then click on new, and then here I am going to write a new drawable resource file, and now it will take some time to show, but it will show, so we have to wait for it. And now I am going to write its name. So drawable name will be IC blank. For demonstration purpose only I am doing this, else I had already included my all icons and that stuff. Sorry. Next we are going to close this, and now right click on drawable, new, vector assets, and this will add our bottom navigation drawer icon. So for that you can see that we have one icon over here, and I am just going to give it as a circle, and this will be our icon for our application bottom navigation drawer. Next I am going to move down and move to main activity.java file, because in this only we are going to do all our work. First you can see that I had included Mia bottom navigation, so bottom navigation draw. Now let me show you our activity main file, where we are going to replace all fragments and added this bottom navigation. So I am going to press Ctrl B, so we will here. Now you can see that I had converted our constraint layout to a linear layout, given its orientation to be vertical, and then make one frame layout. So frame layout width will be match parent, and its height will be 0 dp, weight will be 1. So this will cover all the space except our bottom navigation. Now I am going to add a Mia bottom navigation, and you can see that here is our width, that is match parent. Then we have our height, wrap content, give its unique ID. You can give your circle image color, selected icon color, count text color, its background color, default icon color, and bottom color. Next I am going to add in our main activity file. So I am going to close this activity main file, and here in main activity you can see that bottom navigation is equal to find view by id. With this I am going to write our bottom navigation dot add new bottom navigation dot model, and here 1234 is our id, and this is the icon for our bottom navigation drawer, that is IC home, explore, notification and profile. Next you can see that we have to add on show listener. So in this on show listener we are going to change our fragments, and in on click menu listener is mandatory, and on reselect method is also mandatory, else your application will crash. So you have to add this both method. If you want it to empty, then make it empty. Next I am going to write a fragment is equal to null, and in on show item of our bottom navigation I am going to write switch item get id, and case will be 1. For our first id, I am going to change our fragment to new home fragment, and same like that we have to attach our fragments. And then finally we have to write get support fragment manager dot begin transaction and replace our frame layout with our fragment, and then we will commit all the changes. And then we have to add first show our first screen. So for that, add implemented bottom navigation dot show first id with animation. Next we are going to add a badge to any of item, and you can do so with this set count dot 3 as a its id, and then we have 10. So when you run this application in your Android device, then you will find your application like this. So here is our dependency, and the link of this dependency will be given in the description. And if you had seen our starting, then there you will find the demo of this project. So currently it is here. And if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel, because 91% of our viewers are not subscribing channel, just watching and moving back. So here you can see that our animation is loaded, and here I am changing our badges, and when I rotate my screen, so you can also look at this. So we have our bottom navigation drawer with animation. So if you like this video, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel. And as I had said you, 91% of our viewers had not subscribed to our channel, then please make sure you subscribe it. And thanks for watching Android tutorials.